Alright guys, we're here today at 12014 West Hopi Street out here in Avondale, Arizona. As you can see, we have this beautiful looking home right here in front of us. You get all the cool trees and the plants, and you get the low maintenance turf out here as well. I mean, you can see how cool this neighborhood is. Like, the street's kind of lined with all of these cool trees. So I mean, this is a beautiful neighborhood to live in. Not to mention how close it is to a ton of food and shopping areas. I mean, I'm sure you guys know Avondale is just an exploding area. So this is the perfect time to get in while you can. And then you can see, as we take a step inside, you walk into a massive living area, which you can see, I mean, all of these windows as well. So all the natural light that can be let in if you'd like to. I left a few of them closed just because it was so bright in here that it actually messed up the camera. But if you wanted to have all of these open, I mean, it could be super nice and bright in here. Again, you can see how nice of an area this is, as well as this beautiful flooring. That's one of my favorite parts, is actually how cool this flooring is. And then let's step over to the kitchen, which you can see how beautiful it is in here, as well as all these really nice appliances as well. And all of these are going to stay with the home. So you're not gonna have to worry about, providing your own microwave, your own fridge, anything like that. It's all gonna be here for you to use, which is a super nice bonus to have. You also get this really cool kitchen island as well. So it's just a fantastic use of space in here. It is a really nice kitchen. And then right here off of the kitchen, you're gonna have a hidden, pantry or storage area, whatever you'd like to use that for, as well as a really nice half bath. So you can see all the beautiful cabinetry, and it's just a really nice thing to have a half bath on the first level. And then right off of there, you're gonna have your beautiful 2-car garage, which you can see you have a ton of storage space up here. So you're never going to run out of room in there, which is also something very nice. And then let's go ahead and we'll take a step into the backyard, which is amazing. And as you can see, you get some grass, all of these beautiful plants. I mean, I love this tree as well. It provides shade in the summertime. It'll help keep you cool. And you also get a really nice storage shed in the back over there. So I mean, out of some of the backyards that we have, this is easily one of the coolest ones. I mean, this place is amazing. So let's come back inside and we'll go ahead and head on upstairs, which is right over here. Again, that's the front door that we came in just a few minutes ago. And let's come up to the stairs. And as you can see, the beautiful flooring carries all throughout the upstairs as well. And you have this awesome looking barn door type setup for a loft or, like a game room, whatever you'd like to use this space for. So you could easily go ahead and close this off, and have some privacy in here. But this is a really cool, very, very unique setup in here. Something that you do not see often at all. Then over here, you're gonna have your private laundry room, which is nice that it's far away from the bedroom, so you don't have to worry about, it waking you up at night or anything like that. And then over here, we have a full guest bathroom. So you can see you have your shower tub combo, the really cool cabinetry and countertop. This is a very nice modern bathroom to have. And then over here is going to be your bedrooms. So this is your first guest bedroom here. You can see a really nice sized room. And of course, this really nice flooring as well, which this flooring actually carries all throughout all of the bedrooms. Which I love this room as well, because you have like a dual window setup. So again, just the amount of natural light that comes in here is amazing. And then lastly, let's go ahead and take a look at the primary bedroom. So you can see the sheer size of this room as well. Of course, you get your ceiling fan, the lights, again, massive, massive windows, also with a really cool view out to the backyard. And then over here, you're going to have your bathroom. So this is the huge primary closet. And then you also have this really unique setup for a shower. So there's not actually a door to it. You just have this cool like half wall type of deal here, which again is just something very, very unique to have. And then over here again, your beautiful countertop and cabinetry carried all throughout. That's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. If you have any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, you want to inquire, anything like that, you can go ahead and take a look at our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.